Okay, this time I'm trying to do an installation on a Debian machine. This is a virtual machine. It only has 2 GB of RAM, but it's running on Q4OS. That's a very fast distribution. And I would like to see if the installation will work with Python 3.11. So let's see if it can be done. First check the version. This is Python 3.11. And these are the specs. First we need to install the Python 3.11 virtual environment package here. I didn't know that before and had several installation attempts that failed. This takes a few seconds. So let's create a virtual environment for Python called Mojo and activate it. There we are. Let's check the curl version. That looks good. So I can paste in the installation command here that you will get when you log in on modular.com. And that might take a while, especially if we consider that the recommendation to use Mojo is at least 4 GB of RAM. And this machine only has 2 GB of RAM. But so far it's doing well. There we are, that was much faster than expected. Now it says we should type in modular install Mojo, so let's do that. And in other cases, when I didn't have a virtual environment activated like this time, the installation took forever. In one case over half an hour, but this should be done in a few minutes. So I will fast forward the video until that is done. Okay, it looks like the installation is finished. Now let's do the exports here for the bash by just pasting them. This was the second one, and here is the last one. So now you might notice that this is working here. We can see the currently installed version. So let's create a test file with a function called main. No arguments. And a simple print statement. Let's say Mojo on Python 3.11 is running with 2 GB of RAM. Let's save the file and let's try to run it with the command mojo test.mojo, and this is actually working. So in other instances my virtual environment was deactivated and I had to reboot the system. But with this Q4OS Debian instance, it's working right away. Okay, that's it for this installation. I guess in the next video we are going to activate an editor that will support syntax highlighting. For now I say thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.